Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. Today I want to show you the undo wrench. We're going to come up in close, look at the actual name, undo, the undo wrench. So there are lots of different styles of wrenches you can use to put your spinners on and off and tighten them. Most people would use a hammer. This one says this side towards wheel, or towards car, towards wheel, towards car. So we're gonna use this here, and I'm just gonna show you. It's pretty straightforward here. If we want to loosen the wheel, look at that. It comes loose without beating on the spinner. That's pretty nice. And if we want to make it tight again, I can see there's a problem. You've got to make sure the car is not. We're going to move the car backwards a bit here to get it on, which then means that it would be handy to have someone in the car. So anyway, now we're going to see this side towards wheel. I'm going to put this guy on here again. So the advantage of this is that you can get it pretty snug, and with these nylon rollers, they're not rollers, they don't roll, I just discovered. With these nylon pieces here, there's no damage to the spinner at all. Now this is a pretty good sized unit, so putting it inside the boot, this certainly will fit in there. You could certainly sleeve it with something so it wouldn't rattle around. The handle's nice, and it's got a little like a lanyard to hold it up. So this guy's pretty slick, you know. It's especially if you've got spinners that you don't want to mar. Now these spinners, for instance, these are from an MGA twin cam, so they've got a square end on the end of them. Most spinners are rounded on the end, but these are square to identify them because the flank angle on the inside of this is different than a normal wire wheel. So these have been beat up. I used a wrench or a hammer on these a lot, but this is pretty slick. This is pretty slick. You got to be able to move the car around. A lot handier again if someone's inside with their foot on the brake so it doesn't move. But you can get this. You got a tremendous mechanical advantage here, so you can get it really tight. This is pretty slick. The information about the undo wrench is at the bottom in the information that accompanies this video. So this is yet another little bit of MG. Actually, this would fit everything from a Tiger. No, I don't know if it fit a 120, a 3-eared, but it'll fit your Jag, fit your Healy, your Triumph, and most importantly, your MG. John Twist, University Motors, safety fast.